Hi, everyone. You may have noticed in recent days or weeks that the gg.gg website is not working anymore. And this means that your short URLs that you may have created with gg.gg are not working. And instead of taking you to the website, you'll get a delay while the page is trying to load. And then eventually you'll get an error message like this that indicates that the page took too long to respond or something similar. So for the time being, we're recommending that we switch to a different URL shortener, which is bit.ly, bit.ly, and the web page is bit.ly.com. If you don't already have an account, you can sign up for free, and you can use your Google credentials or your email address. It's your choice. The free account will allow you to create short URLs the same way you did with gg.gg. They do also have a paid service. You don't have to sign up for the paid service. The paid service allows you to do some premium tracking things, and it also allows you to change where your short URL points. So those are kind of like premium features, but you certainly don't need that just to be able to create a short link. The free account will be fine for that. So I'm going to log in with Google. And once I'm signed into my account, I will show you how to do this. Okay, so let's say I want to create a URL for a document. Let's just say I have a document here. There we go. This is my sample document, and I'm going to share it. Oh, I have to give it a name first. Okay. There you go. Okay. And now that it exists, I will copy the link, and I'll click Done. And I'll go back to bit.ly, and I'll click the orange Create button, and I will paste that long URL into this orange box over on the right side. And then I'll click the orange Create button. When I do that, bit.ly will give me automatically a back half that's generated with random characters. However, if I highlight these characters and hit the backspace key or the delete key, I can then type whatever I want, as long as it's something that hasn't already been taken. So, for example, if I choose something that's a common word, it's probably already been taken. But if I highlight again and try, something like that with some extra characters, okay, that's not going to work either. So how about Ceres Wednesday 1 2 3, something like that maybe. There we go. And so once I enter something that is okay to use, then that will be the link. You can copy the link by clicking the copy button, and then you can insert that into your email or however else you want to share the link. You can click on the QR code if you would like to generate a free QR code and download that as an image file. And this is something that gg.gg did not do. So this is actually, in some ways, a little bit nicer than gg.gg. The other thing I like about bit.ly is it will keep track of how many times your link has been clicked on. So for example, over here, I have some other short URLs that I've already created, and you can see some analytics of how many people clicked on it. So if I click on this one, I get a total number of clicks, and then it even tells me how many clicks, how many times different people clicked on this link on different dates. So again, all this is free, and which probably, just a few extra steps compared to gg.gg, but you do get more information for your time investment. So thanks a lot, and contact your ed tech specialists if you have any questions.